Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening up a box of just like a bunch of random things that I've collected. And the first thing I pulled out was Toy Story Series 2. This is a Mashems. And we have this guy. I cannot remember his name. I just watched Toy Story 4 last night. Okay, the next thing I have is a Disney Princess Comics Mini. This is Series 5. First time I'm doing these. And we have this little guy. And there's this little sticker. I can't remember his name either. I used to love Pocahontas and I can't remember. I'm sorry, I'm like really bad at all these things. There he is on his little stand. Okay, next we have a Baby Shark Mashems Series 1. Some of these I didn't even order. Like I ordered something in my Walmart pickup and they didn't have them, so they substituted them with certain things. This one looks like it is probably Grandpa Shark.
I think it's a
We have another Toy Story Series 2. Hey, stop. Sit down and watch your show, baby. Can you do that for me? We have Woody. These things are like kind of weird. My Little Pony Series 12. Aiden, get out of it. I don't know any of the My Little Ponies, so I'll just have to show what I got. And if you guys know, you can leave me a comment. Next is SpongeBob. This one is a Series 3. And we got Patrick. Another My Little Pony. Stay out of it, please. Aiden, stay out of it.
Okay.
this one. Again, just leave me a comment if you know the name of these. Got another Disney Princess Minis. I think it's the same series.
What?
Got Aurora. And there's her little sticker. These things are like really cute. I'm a lot happier with these than I was the last Disney Princess things I opened, because these ones aren't flimsy like those ones. Next is another Toy Story. Oh, that one just opened right on up. And it's another one of these guys that I don't know the name of. I have a World's Smallest Toys. And it's an Etch-a-Sketch. And it actually works. That is nice. Huh. We have another baby shark. That's the yellow one. I'm not sure what this one is. My Little Pony. This one's cool looking. I just wish I knew the names of them. We have a Trolls World Tour, Series 1. My son has watched Trolls before, but I haven't really paid attention to them, so I don't know the names of these ones either. But we have this guy. So if you know the name of him, just leave a comment. Stay out of it. Break it. We have another World's Smallest Toy. Doesn't feel very small. It's a little bear. Is this supposed to be a Care Bear? I'm not sure, but it's cute. Another My Little Pony. I really like the colors of this one, but its eyes are kind of creepy. Here's another World's Smallest Toy. And those are Care Bears. We have a Nerf football. Disney Princess comic minis. This one's Belle. Belle is my favorite Disney princess. She's in her like winter outfit. And there's her little sticker. Another Toy Story. I got another one of these guys. It's the third one. Toy Story. Oh, I have this little person. I can't remember her name. She's cute. Another Toy Story. And we have Buzz. Buzz Lightyear. Okay, so that's all the Mashems I have. So I have 2 Wacky packages and 1 more Disney Princess comic minis. So I'm going to open this one up first. This is Merida from Brave. I think that's how you say her name. And she does not want to go on her stand. And there's her sticker. Okay, Wacky packages. This is series 1. I have plastered peanuts. And the sticker is Dooble Booble. Okay, and we have all of our little packages. Whoops. This is a Jerks. We have Logs potato flavored wood chips. Miss Clean. Will wipe up the floor with Mr. Clean if she can find him. Okay, and this one is Thing Mints Goal Scouts. Okay. And then the last thing to open. We have Rivals. Rivals have Rumbles. Chizillas. Cop Tarts, Handcuffs, another Miss Clean, Kraft Singles State Old Cheddar. It looks like a piece is actually getting pulled out. Okay, last one. It is Putrid Cat Chow. Alright everybody, that's all I have for today. I still have a whole case of Mini Brands Series 2 Wave 2 to open. I hope you guys will comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when my videos go up. And I hope you all have a good day. Bye.